A very happy Independence Day to you. This Independence Day, let's reflect and see, are you truly standing up for your independence? Hi everyone, I'm Madhvi Raju, your complete lifestyle coach, and I'm here to speak to you about how to stand up for your own independence this Independence Day. Look at all the things that you do. Are you truly happy doing them? Or are you doing something just because you have to do it or someone else is telling you to do it? It could be work at home or it could be your work, your career. Are you truly having the independence there? India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day, but it is shocking to see how people are stuck and lost in life, not feeling independent at all. So let's go ahead and quickly see, how do we get this independence? There are 3 key factors which will give you your independence. So start doing these immediately. The first one, act responsible. If you do not show others that you are responsible and you are capable of taking your own decisions, then other people will not trust you and will take the decisions for you, which will not make you feel responsible. So start acting like you're a responsible person. Show people that you're responsible and automatically they will see the seriousness in you and you can take your own decisions in your life, which will make you a responsible person. The second thing that you can do, get clear about what you want. Get clear in your mind about how you speak, how you think. Get clear about what you want and speak that out to others. If you are not clear about what you want, people will not know what you want. And don't expect people to know without you telling them. The more clearer you are, the more free you are, the more responsible you can be. And the more responsible you are, the more independent you can be. And the third thing that will lead you to your independence, be confident. Being responsible and being clear is not enough if you're not confident. You have to be confident about yourself. Feel confident from within. Speak to yourself in your lonely time in a confident way. Start with yourself. Think about all the things that you want and think about it with confidence and start working towards it with confidence. Yes, there will be doubts at times, but don't give place for that doubt. You can do everything you want if you are confident about it. So if you are responsible, if you are clear, and if you are confident, your independence is always in your hands. So let me just share a small incident with you. There was this couple that came to me. Both husband and wife were constantly having this worry that they are not happy in the relationship. They are not happy with each other. He is supposed to do this for me or she is not doing this for me. Constantly the finger was pointed out at the other person. Now I just asked them a simple clear question. Why don't you tell your spouse or your life partner that you want this or you want that? Then they immediately revolted and told, he is supposed to understand. Why should I keep telling him everything? Or do I really need to tell her everything? She can understand, right? I can't go and tell her everything. Then automatically there is lack of responsibility. They want the other person to take responsibility of the relationship, but not themselves. So when I told them about these 3 key factors, take responsibility. What is it that you can do in your relationship? Forget about the other person. You don't have control over the other person, but what can you do in your relationship? And automatically they started thinking. Once they started thinking, they started getting clear. The clarity started coming in, the second factor. So when the clarity started coming in, then they started thinking, oh, I want this from the person. I want that from the person. I want to give this to my partner. I want to be this way with my partner. Then they started getting the clarity, and then finally the third step. They confidently started speaking about it to their partner. I want you to do this for me. I cannot do this. It is difficult for me. I want to have space in the relationship, or I want to spend time with the relationship. Planning out the time, planning out when they want to spend time with each other, when they want the space. planning out how they want their life to be. Automatically, they started taking responsibility, they got the clarity, and they started speaking confidently to each other. And guess what happened? They became independent. Independence does not mean that they started not wanting each other. Independence meant that they became more clear and more confident about themselves, and they were no longer needy and clingy on the other person in the relationship. They started growing more within, and they started growing more in their life, which helped the relationship also grow. So use these tips to grow your relationship. Use these tips to grow your career. It could be your health. It could be your personal growth. It could be anything. These 3 key things will help you shift your life and make you an independent person. Happy Independence Day if you are an independent person and if you're working towards your independence. Last, the 3 key factors, don't forget them. Be responsible, be clear, and be confident. I hope this video was informative. I hope you liked what I said. Please click on the like button below if you liked it. Comment and let me know what are the things you do to become responsible in your relationship, to become responsible in your career, to become responsible towards your health. What is it that you do to become more confident and more clear? And I will reply back. Subscribe to this channel if you feel this content is useful to you. Share it with someone who actually is confused and not able to understand how to get their independence. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you soon.